Hello my people, long time no vlog. We are going out now, so I thought to just start a vlog. I'm trying to wear this shoe, but anytime I wear this shoe, my feet tend to be dirty under, but I have to wear it. We are going out to do weekly shopping, which is always on Saturday. If you've watched me for a while, I always say that. But I want to buy something from B&M or DIDN. So I got this measuring tape. My cameras are always just lying on my kitchen top, and clothes are always there, so I don't like that. They're waiting for me. Imagine where they kept their chair, just outside the house. Well, anyway, I'm going to, I'll carry you along. I'll just show you where we're going to, okay? Please remember to subscribe and share this video. We are here now. We first came to John, as you can see. Oof, look at that. My sister. No. We need my. Oh, look at this beautiful plants here. Ready to just go and plant it at home or keep it to grow. I don't know if I should buy, and it's £4 for goodness sake, very cheap. See, this is in B&M. Let's see how much is it. This one is £8.50. It's ripening already. That one. See, you just want to plant it, you go and plant it at home. They have tomatoes. Yeah, I saw the neighbors here and yeah.
Thing and then there's rocks.
Like fire truck kind of a thing, yeah.
It's
where's your dad? Is it a fire truck one?
Yeah, it looks so nice.
Yeah, I also saw those ones.
It looks so nice.
Do that, you don't play with toys here. Come and pick all these things. Zip those bags the way I told you to zip it and put them inside this drawer. That's the storage that I bought there to put my camera stand and ring lights in there. We came back a little bit earlier, about a few minutes ago, put the other ones here. I bought this because the one I was using, I've used it for like 2 years now. I bought it in 2024. Since I discovered this, I've always wanted that because I don't have to bend to sweet and all that. And also this is always very good to replacing the this things easier. I have young kids and I'm teaching them how to keep everywhere clean. You don't write on the wall, you write in your book, and they've been so good with that. Yes, why are you crying? Hey, guys, you bring your headphone. This is good. Bring the headphone, my love. Whatever it is, just bring it. Give me. Who asked you to open it? Is it Daddy? Or you just opened it? Move back. Mouth should always be closed, please. My husband bought this for my first son, and this uncle is trying to. No. This is for big brother alone. Give me something that your name need to be written on this. So that.
Whiteboard. So it's showing that has the mark.
Okay, but your name will need to write your name on this so that no one touches it. And you better not keep it where your brother will see, because if it spoils this thing, if you make this thing to spoil, and make sure you don't get another one. So keep it where it do not spoil. Learn to keep your things safe and learn to handle your stuff. So that thing is not for 2 years old, okay? Come. Did you hear what mommy said? Yeah. It's not for 2 years old, okay? Yeah, I will give you a different one. Is that alright? That one is for big brother. Don't cry. Velida. I thought it was going to come with 2. This is how it looks when it's very neat. That's why I said I'll use it for just the wall. And you can actually replace this after a few use. You can replace it. This thing is £7. Just that they don't sell. I can't say, but they don't sell this by itself. I think they sell just this fluffy stuff. Because this one I bought it about a month or 2 ago. One thing I also love about this one is because it saves space. I don't know of any other person, but I am someone that I love my space. You see, all those, I'm not speaking on someone, but I'm not somebody that like it when I have to put things over my fridge. I don't like that at all. When I was in Middlesbrough, I had to do that, and I was just always feeling so uncomfortable. When I moved here, I made sure nothing goes up there, and yeah, I'm still organizing the house, but you know, it takes a bit of time. But yeah, I'm still organizing the house, even my wardrobe and all those things. I don't like it when things are above wardrobe and all those stuff. That is it. I will just try to clean up now. I'm going to did I buy anything else?
That always stands, faith in the flavor, peace in the home, never in this life alone. His love shines bright for all to see. You're always welcome here with me. Bigger, joyful, this is JJM Kitchen and Lifestyle TV. Jesus is our harmony, from every chore to every meal. His love is strong and real. Oh, His love is the recipe for a blessed life and family.
Joyful choir.
Joyful choir. Joyful choir. Joyful choir. Joyful choir. Joyful choir. Joyful choir. Oh, His love is the recipe for a blessed life and family. This is JJM Kitchen and Lifestyle TV.
Yes.
Where love is served so beautifully. We cook, we clean, we laugh, we pray. with Jesus leading every day. Oh, His love is the recipe for a joyful heart and